All right, folks. We have a 05-06 ice upper deck ice hockey box. We're obviously chasing the Crosby, and it's about a $3,000 card. So we'll see what happens here. If you're getting tired while you're watching this YouTube video, why don't you grab you some Rudy drink?
Where are my cards?
All right, let's do this thing. Don't buy hot packs on eBay. People open them and then sell them, close them back and sell them, so be careful. Glacial autograph, Keith Ballard. Oh, just nicked the corner there.
Now it's worth 0.
Let's see if we can do it like that so you could
See it. That's nice.
All right, so you guys will see the rest of these packs on eBay. I'm not going to open the rest of them now since I got the auto on the first pack. So thanks for joining us. No, I'm just kidding.
One auto?
I don't know how many autos it is. All right. Crosby. Pretty much if it's not saying Crosby, I'm not stopping.
What's that other dude?
Or Ovechkin. Do. Let's go, Crosby. Nope.
What is the subject could be on my
Here's a rookie. Ice Premiers. Peter Kanko.
This is going to be a topic on this casting tax.
Here's the other rookie. Brian McGrattan.
Like my name.
Supposed to be 2 rookies?
I don't know.
If it ain't Crosby, it don't matter.
Yeah.
Or,
Basically.
Or that other guy.
Ovechkin. No Crosby.
Okay. I'm not in topics.
If you get to Crosby, he's going to pee his pants.
This is the one.
Cool Threads.
Close.
Good name right there. Think of the guy's name.
Oh, another rookie. Not sure how many come into a box. Brad Richardson. Still no Crosby.
Let's have the box.
Half the pack's done.
You guys are probably sleeping now because this guy's boring.
Hold on while I burn this kid with a cigarette. Here's another rookie, Danny Servette. Mario Lemieux. Still no Crosby.
Oh, Randy died.
Nope. Open it like Brian. That's amateur style right there.
Don't worry, I got him at the end.
One more packs, I think, folks. Not looking good. Not looking good. Two more packs. Two more packs. No. Patrick Eves. No Sidney Crosby. Last pack, folks.
5 rookies, that's pretty good though. That's a
Jersey. And no Crosby, folks. So thank you for joining us here for the Chasing Crosby cracking packs. But that's all we got right there.
He has to go hibernate now.
I have to go save some money to buy some more packs.